a store-bought mask when you can make a simple DIY face mask that's going to help brighten and detan your skin? I'm going to show you a mask that has only 3 ingredients that's going to help you do that. So let's get started. So the ingredients we have here are, number 1, tomato. Tomatoes have citric acid and malic acid, which helps to exfoliate your skin. Also, am I the only one who likes eating raw tomato? I don't know. Tell me if you're also someone who eats tomatoes raw like me. I find them super refreshing and it is going to help refresh your face. So that is ingredient number 1. So the second ingredient we have today is the rice flour, and this also helps with gentle exfoliation. You've probably heard of how rice has been used in Korean skincare so much for brightening the skin, helping with pores, and also perform that little bit of exfoliation. So this is what we're doing today, and go get some rice flour. And the third ingredient we have is good old aloe vera gel. So I think aloe vera gel solves all skincare problems, but basically it's meant to soothe and calm your skin down, which will help from that sun exposure or that tanning that has already been caused on your skin. So go get some aloe vera gel. I have store-bought aloe vera gel, but fresh gel is even better. This almost feels like jelly. I feel like everything I'm looking at right now I want to eat, but don't eat it. Go ahead and mix them all and make this DIY face mask. And now to make this DIY face mask, I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of all of our ingredients. So this is 2 tablespoons of rice flour. And then we're doing 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, which I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but make it a juice, don't eat it. It's not going to do as much for your skin. And then I'm doing 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Okay, and now we're just going to mix it all. I'm going to be right back, tie my hair up, and then I'll be ready to apply it on my face and show you how it looks. So guys, I've mixed it, and your mixture should look something like this. It's a bit pinky red, but if you're using natural aloe vera gel, then yours might be slightly more runnier. You could use more rice flour, but I think that much is enough, how much ever I used, in equal proportions. And the color might vary slightly, but trust the process. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply it on my face. So guys, it's been 15 minutes and now it should feel touch dry. So it's time to get rid of this. I'm going to use a light exfoliating technique with maybe just wet my face slightly and scrub. Be gentle. Don't be harsh with your skin, and I'm going to show you how it looks. Guys, do you see it? Okay, I'm going to show you a before right here. And this is the after. I swear I have nothing, and I promise it's not even that drying for your skin. My skin feels like baby soft. I definitely see the brightness, the glow. It's not as glowy for sure, but it's definitely bright. It's taken off my dead skin cells. Don't forget to moisturize, especially if you're out in the day, because the tomato does have some acids. They're not harsh, they're super gentle. I'm using a moisturizing sunscreen because I still have some sunlight. So I'm doing 3 fingers. That is how I look now post the DIY face mask. I am loving the results. You should try it out and let me know what you think of it. And if you liked this DIY mask, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.